Hello everyone, Crafts with Crashly here. I just wanted to do a quick review kind of thing for the Dollar General diamond painting. So hopefully you all saw my unboxing of it. If you missed it, the box looks like this. It is a Dollar General diamond painting. That's the back of the box. Here's the front of the box. Dot and Dazzle, but it's only $5. And again, I did see this at multiple Dollar Generals, so it should be at your local Dollar General if you have one near you. So I will link the unboxing in the description below if you did miss it, but I wanted to show you how it turned out. Oh, look at it, it's so pretty. It's such a small diamond painting. Again, the gems are pretty large, but it's actually very nice material. Like, it's not the cheapo, like, paper canvas. Like, I wish I could show you more how it feels. Like, look, it's actually nice canvas. You can see up there. The adhesive is very strong. Like, you will not need to seal this. It is a smaller diamond painting. Like, here's my hand. Or here's a straightener. Like, it's not ginormous or anything. I have been keeping an eye out at Dollar General to see if they've gotten any more images. I haven't seen any new images or any ones other than this butterfly. And people that I've talked to that I know went out and bought the Dollar General diamond painting have not seen any other images either. So I'm still interested to see if you go out to buy this diamond painting from Dollar General, if it's just this image they have, or if they have other ones. Because I know my Dollar General sold out of these pretty quickly, so y'all head on out there and buy them so we can be like Dollar General to realize, hey, we need to keep these in stock. We need to find more images. That's my hopes anyway. But yes, you can see here the gems are larger than normal diamond paintings. It's actually funny, Kerwin actually finished this. When I did my unboxing, you saw me do like the bottom part of this and stuff, but Kerwin actually sat down and started working on the rest of it, and he couldn't put it away until it was done, y'all. I don't know if I would say he's hooked, but this is what did Kerwin in for diamond painting, and it's just nice. I'm surprised about the quality of this for it only being $5. So if you are one of the ones waiting for those crazy long shipping times due to the world being such a crazy place as it is, this is a perfect fix for you. It definitely filled the diamond painting need void. You know what I mean. So yeah, I just wanted to show you all what it looked like. Isn't it so pretty? It's going to be a cute little office decoration. Again, it's not the biggest. It's not like, you know, the one crazy expensive diamond painting you see, but for $5, heck yes. And look how big these gems are, y'all. Like, you can use those for all sorts of other things too. Like, I know I play with polymer clay. I plan on using these leftover drills here on other things. And they did send plenty, y'all. They did send plenty. I had leftover drills from each color. Absolutely plenty drills are included. And they give you everything, like the boat, the wax, the pen, all of it. So definitely would recommend for somebody needing a quick diamond painting fix, without a doubt. So that's really all I wanted to show you all. Here it is one last time. So beautiful, so sparkly. Beautiful, beautiful. Well, yes, thank you all so much for watching. Head out to your Dollar General to see if they have any of these diamond paintings, and let me know in the comments below if they just had this image or if you found other images. I'm curious to know. But until next time, everyone, have a wonderful day. Stay happy and stay safe. I'll see you in the next video.